everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make a schedule in Google Sheets. For this example, we'll create a weekly schedule broken down into 1-hour time spans. Let's begin by setting up the layout of our schedule. In cell A1, type time. Now, we'll add the days of the week starting from Sunday. In cell D1, type Sunday. In cell C1, type Monday. Now, select both B1 and C1 and move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the selection until you see a small blue circle called the fill handle and your cursor transforms into crosshairs. Click and drag the fill handle to the right across cell H1. This will automatically fill in the rest of the days. Next, let's create the 1-hour time slots along the side. In cell E2, type 8 a.m. In cell A3, type 9 a.m. Then, select both A2 and A3. Drag the fill handle downward to fill the rest of the time slots automatically. Keep dragging down until you reach your desired end time. For this example, until 5 p.m. Now, we'll format the schedule to make it more readable. Select the entire grid depending on how many time slots you created. For this example, from A1 to H11. Then, select the borders icon in the toolbar, the one that looks like a square with inside borders. Choose all borders to make each time slot look like a box. Next, we'll adjust the columns so everything fits nicely. Highlight the columns covered by your calendar by dragging along the column letters. Then, move your mouse to the line between any two column letters like B and C. When the cursor changes to a double arrow, click and drag to widen the columns. You can also adjust the row height using the same technique if you want more space for writing in each cell. To make the header stand out, highlight cells E1 to H1 and click the bold icon or the letter B in the top toolbar. Center align the headers by clicking the horizontal align icon at the toolbar at the top of your spreadsheet and clicking center. You can also add the background color using the fill color icon, which looks like a paint bucket. Let's make this light orange. Let's do the same for column A to highlight the time labels. Now, your weekly schedule is ready to use. You can type in appointments, classes, tasks, or activities directly into the grid. So, that is how you make a schedule in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.